Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting up a second iPad as a feed display in Poshier. First, let's prepare the main iPad. Go to the Staff section in Settings. Tap the New button to create an account. This account will be used to log into the feed display. You can name it Feed Display or choose any suitable name. Set a password and disable the POS and kitchen options. Tap Done to save your changes. Next, in the POS panel, enable the Feed Display option. That's it for the main iPad. Now, on the second iPad, download Poshier from the App Store and sign in using the account you created on the main unit. Go to Settings and log in with the admin account. In the Shop section, tap the shop record and scroll down to the Register section. As you can see, iPad 2 is still unassigned. Since it's unassigned, we can assign this iPad now. To do this, swipe left to reveal the options, then choose Assign. In the Fee Display section, enter a message for your customers. Next, connect this iPad to the main unit as a feed display by tapping on the first record here. Finally, in the POS panel, scroll down to the Hide Functions on this iPad section. Turn off the Hide Feed Display switch to make this function visible. If needed, you can hide other functions such as Kitchen, POS, Menu, Report, and Help by turning on their respective switches. To see the changes, simply restart the app. Now let's do a quick test to ensure everything is working. Log back into the second iPad using the Feed Display account we just created. On the main unit, add some items to the order and proceed to checkout. I hope this tutorial has effectively guided you through the steps to set up a feed display on the second iPad. See you in the next video. Goodbye.